Welcome to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can easily sync your notes with Notion AI. You can use Notion AI in your daily routine, even if it's your notes or your work routine. In order to sync your notes with Notion AI, this is what you need to do. This is a tutorial of how you can connect your Google Notes with Notion AI. First of all, go onto your Google account and go ahead at Google Takeout. You can also go there by the link of takeout.google.com. Here you'll see all of the apps of Google. First of all, click on Deselect All. And now scroll down and just check the Keep Notes option. You can click on Next Step. Here now you can export all of your notes. You can send download link via email, add it to your Drive, to your Dropbox, to OneDrive or to Box. I'm gonna just select Send download link via email. Once you do that, you'll be able to choose your file type and your file size. Click on Create Export. Once you have exported your notes, now you need to import it to Notion. Now go on to notion.com on your Google browser or it can be any browser that you're using and make sure to log in with your account. Once you're all logged in, go on to a new page. From the bottom menu, you'll see these three dots. Click on it. Here you'll see a lot of the options. What you'll need to do is click on Import. You'll get this tab opened up. Here you can import any of your notes. From the down you can see that you can choose a file, drag or drop a zip file here and choose the file that you exported from Google Keep Notes. Once you choose that, you'll see that your Google Keep Notes and Notion is now synced. That is how easily you can sync your notes with Notion AI. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.